Alaska, the place of giants, where you'll breathe in the air and exhale for miles. In this place, the scale of the world is on full display. 17 of the country's 20 highest mountain peaks, a rainforest the size of Maine. In winter, it freezes all the way to Siberia. But in summer, when the locals shake off their cabin fever and come out to play, it turns lush and green with mossy woods and pounding rapids. Why not join them? Get your camera, strap on your crampons, grab the reins of a dog sled. Time to see Alaska the Norwegian way. With convenient 7-day itineraries, including departures every Saturday and Sunday from Seattle, we make travel easy. Arrive a day or two early and start exploring before you even set sail in interesting port cities like Seattle, where a walk down the Pike Pine Corridor will lead you to some great food and great shops. When you reach Alaska, you'll be stunned by how the scenery changes. Fjords carved by glaciers flow beneath granite cliffs, abruptly rising thousands of feet. Icebergs the size of buildings float by your window. Spend every day finding something different and amazing. Stay on board and soak up views you can only get from the deck of your ship. If the snowy peaks don't give you chills, you just might see some acrobatic whales that will. Or try a great shore excursion. A local bush pilot will fly you over brilliant blue glaciers that splinter into deep crevices and towering spires. Try panning for real gold. Your kids will love it. When you're hungry, there's fresh salmon. Or book a guide and see what you can hook yourself. After you're done exploring, come back to your ship where you'll find your vacation anything but rugged. Our sister ships, Norwegian Jewel and Norwegian Pearl, are the newest ships sailing Alaska and give you plenty of wide open spaces with lots of choices for viewing the spectacular coast. And freestyle cruising lets you set your own schedule. Eat when you want, play when you want. We have more dining choices than any other cruise line in Alaska and some of the best entertainment at sea. Let the kids try our exclusive Nickelodeon lineup on Norwegian Jewel or bowling on Norwegian Pearl, while Mom and Dad play dress-up and head for our chic lounges or Second City comedy troupe. When it comes time to turn in, sleep in stylish comfort. From mini suites to connecting staterooms for families, we have accommodations to suit everyone with some of the largest suites at sea. Floor-to-ceiling windows and balconies let nothing get in the way of you and Alaska. For a more exclusive experience, try The Haven. Located on both ships' upper decks, luxurious suites, penthouses, and villas face a private courtyard, accessible only by private key card, with a heated pool and retractable roof. A personal butler and a concierge will look after your every wish. In 2013, let us take you beyond the coast on our cruise tours to discover a completely different world. Glacial lakes and vast shaggy forests inhabited by grizzlies, wolves, and moose. Board an Alaska railroad car that will carry you to Denali National Park, home to North America's highest peak. Stop by a musher's camp to meet the beloved Iditarod dogs and find out what it's like to race more than 1,100 miles across mountains, forest, and tundra. Along the way, our homegrown guides will fill you in on the secrets of the only place in the country ever ruled by a Russian czar. Whether it's glaciers, wildlife, the vast wilderness, or all of the above, we bring you Alaska like a local. And with freestyle cruising, you do it all your way, with more choices and more freedom. See Alaska the Norwegian way, and at the end of your cruise, you may leave Alaska, but Alaska will never leave you.